In this video, we'll be taking basic pole measurements using Axonic. First, attach your height stick for reference. Then take your multi-measurement from a fixed point. Hold the camera steady and capture two poles in one image. Then, for each pole, tap the screen at the base of the structure. Enter the rangefinder distance to the point using either a horizontal distance or an inclined distance measurement. You can also use a height stick. Make sure you measure the rangefinder from the same point that you took the photo. Enter the asset ID for each of the structures and enter the distance in decimal feet. We're now adding the second pole. We now switch back to the survey tab and add a survey point. This is the midpoint or mid-span or controlling span, a point on the road or sidewalk where we want to take a measurement from the conductor down to the point of interest. We now select the span by highlighting the two poles and then add the catenary. In this example, the single wire that runs across the road. Start your 3 points with the attachment at the first point of the pole, anywhere along the catenary, and at the last attachment point. Hit advance to complete adding the catenary. This now gives us our sag and clearance to the points that we've chosen to survey. We can now measure attachments. Here's an example of a king bolt, but you can use this for your electricity and comms lines in the same way. Measuring poles has its own feature in the process tab, that structure icon that looks like a power pole. Tap on that and tap the top of the pole to measure the height and lean. So there's a quick demo of basic pole measurement with Axonic.